6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! So we're done with that. Now the first hand of the year. Let's see what we get. How lucky I'm gonna be.
Tony P, 816 high-low, Bill C, and Mike A. Players, I have immediate seating for 816 high-low. Table 10, table 1 for Bill C. Thank you.
It's crap, but I decided to play. Let's see, first hand of the year. Muck. Ace on the board. Girl next to me makes a bet. Hi Muck. Happy New Year and thanks you for watching my goofy videos. Good luck. And we're on in the new year 2021. Let's hope it's going to be better than the last one. Let's get rid of that corona and vaccine. Let's all of us have much better luck on the felt. This is my first session of the year, January 1st. Let's get lucky. The Bruce mode.
But I see your tradition on your videos.
Oh yeah,
I have to do this.
Yeah, just for the video.
This is a must and a plus.
Yeah, so now congratulations on your 1 year being sober.
13 months now.
13 months.
13 months.
Ooh, I like the taste. There are some that taste like rat poison, but this is nice flavor.
Good. Yes. Good. I like it.
Well, we're in a new year. You saw my first hand of the year, and today it's gonna be my last session in Las Vegas because I'm hitting the road, going to Arizona for a while. After the first hand, that was after midnight, I just went to sleep and played that evening my first official session of the year, and it was disaster. They cremated me, made just guacamole, mashed potatoes. So that was a killer. I'm waiting for oil change on my RV. I left it there in a shop just around the corner. So I'm gonna see here at the Boulder station to record the short last session for this Las Vegas stay. I was here for over a month. Well, I was kind of lucky. They have 3 games. Everything has a big list, and but they're gonna start the new Omaha game. So I'm gonna play, I think 4-8.
Oh, okay.
I'm paying it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And that way everybody's happy.
afraid of. That's exactly what I was afraid of. I wanted the board to clear.
The clubs also.
Yeah, I only had one club. The club didn't come, and the pair didn't come either.
I'm here at DI Auto Truck Shop. They're still working on mine. Last year, I found a place that's special for the licensed shop. I said, how much is that gonna be? Oh, like he started calculating something, just oil change. $450. What? That's the price. I don't know. Labor per hour plus this plus that. I said, forget it. So I left. Took my phone, started calling other places. Called the place where I actually had my RV for inspection when I bought it. I called them. How much is for oil change? $240. I said, this is insane. And I read on a Facebook, I remember in some group, that oil change is really expensive. So I was here on a Boulder highway, and there was in RV Park, next to RV Park immediately, it's this DI truck place, and I asked them, guys, how about oil change? Oh, labor is $25 plus oil. And I had my oil, I already bought the Mobile, $25 in oil, that's like $70, comparing to $450. And another ethnic store. This time it's Serbian store. It's on Rainbow, really deep south in Las Vegas. Need supplies before I leave. And I'm leaving Las Vegas. I was here over a month. Bye-bye Strip. I'll be back. Looks like a repark, but it's not. It's Don Laughlin's Riverside Hotel and Casino. Riverside. So I'm here by Riverside. Came last night. Today it's January 14th. So one more time, Happy New Year. What do you mean Happy New Year? Well, on a Greek Orthodox Church calendar, which is 2 weeks behind your regular calendar, today is New Year. Riverside is built on the Colorado River, and the middle of the river represents the border between Nevada and Arizona. On this side you can find a bunch of casinos, and on the other side grocery stores, Walgreens, Home Depot and everything else. So my plan is to stay here for a few days, and actually Monday I'm moving down to Arizona to Parker. There is a poker room here in Riverside. I came last night and there was a long list, so I didn't want to wait. There's also at Harrah's poker room. Here they have mostly limit games, and in the evening 1-2 game, which is probably some low buying, like 100 or maximum 200. So those are games that I hate. So I may check the Harrah's, because I remember about 2 years ago when I was there, there was a 2-5 game going on. So I hope they still have it. Most of the casinos around are closed for COVID, and except these couple main big ones. So we started video with Happy New Year, and one more Happy New Year just a couple seconds ago. And it's time to finish with my top 5. You know what? I cannot just entertain you. We live in the really weird times. Started last year, whole year affected with COVID. Then end of the year ended with the election and all this, what was happening last week at Washington, D.C. I cannot be quiet about that. I know people don't like religion and politics at the dinner table, but this is my channel, and there's no food. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think that America is slipping to fascism. First, that word fascism, or some Orwellian 1984, is used easily, and mostly from people that even don't know what that means. Fascism is not war and killing. It has nothing with Auschwitz, and it is just a system where the government controls economy and the business. It started in Italy when, after big depression in 20s, Mussolini took over the country and the economy, but companies are still private. So government is a manager for private businesses. When there's a collusion between two of them, when they work together, that leads to fascism. Once Democrats destroy Republican Party and they're the only party, like they have a president, they have Congress and Senate, they're going to deal with Yahoo and Google and Twitter, and they're going to step on them. Same thing already happened when Bill Clinton wanted to break Microsoft, and they did. And Bill Gates, like a pussy, surrendered, and now preaching he's expert on viruses, not computer viruses, so these Chinese viruses. So like I said, big business and government together equals fascism. In socialist countries, real socialist countries like Soviet Union and other Eastern Bloc countries, government is the owner of the company and also the manager. In capitalism, company owner is the manager of his company. And that's the difference between those 3 systems. So capitalism has the most freedom from government. People cannot raise their voice anymore, because if you do, you're banned on Twitter. Next thing, if you're a Trump supporter, you're gonna be fired from your job, and already happened. Pilot, captain, or whatever is his title on the aeroplane, forbid people to chant USA, USA. What should they chant? Mexico? Viva Mexico? Is that okay? I can go on and on. You know what I'm talking about. You listen to TV and news. So if it continues like this, we are all fried in this together. So what's the solution? Well, I suggest they get sober or there's another civil war. I'm not calling for it. I'm just warning. I don't care do you like Trump or not. His Twitter account is banned. YouTube, Facebook, that's fascism. So what's next? 7-Eleven is not going to sell gas to Trump. When he goes to grocery store, they're going to say, sorry, private business, we don't want you in. Where's the end of this? Good luck to all of us.